Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how to paint this cotton attachment for the paint by line truck. I'm going to go in first and base coat my cotton, and actually the color cotton. All of these colors that I'm using today are Dixie Belle chalk paint, so make sure to check those out on our website. I love them. I'm using the color chocolate now for the stems on my cotton balls. And I'm just going around with that chocolate color as well. And I'll kind of be outlining all of the little stems. I'll just go in with a smaller detailed brush to try to get like a pointy edge on them. And then once that dries, I'll go in with a Sharpie brush stroke marker and outline everything. And I'm just following the lines that are etched into the cutout with my marker, so that makes this super easy. Don't stress it. This marker is a huge lifesaver. I highly recommend it. We also sell it on our website. And I'll also go in around the stems and outline those. I love to outline because I feel like it just makes everything pop and also kind of cleans up anywhere where I may have made a mistake. And then next I'm going to go in with the color putty, and I'm going to highlight on my cotton just a little bit. And these lines are already etched into the cutout for me. And I chose instead to go in with gray or the putty color, the tan color, instead of outlining the lines on the inside of my cotton balls. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.